Alright, first test drive for her. Alright, you're clear. I get the foot up. There we go. Find the throttle. That's what you do. Find the throttle, get it going. Well, she got in second gear. She's making a U-turn and going around the block. Can't hear her, so I don't know. Oh well. Wait for her. I already blasted all the restaurant guys, so I got them happy. I guess she's going down the side street. Yep. She got lost. Got the hoolums on their skateboards. Alright, we'll be back. Wait for her. There she comes. Second. Second gear, but she got on in second gear at least. Stupid car is in the way now. Way too much light. Car don't know what to do. He's lost. I just run over those pedestrians, it'll be fine. You're neutral? You're neutral. That's where the med came from.
Oh, I bet you.
I forgot about that coming down the road.
I bet you.
Yeah, idle speed's up a little higher. I think it's warmed up. Be a little bit leaner. I lean it out a little bit.
Okay.
It's a little hot now. That's okay, idle speed. Alright, shut it off.
Awesome job, Tatro. I love it.
So what was that?
I might be able to. Awesome job, Tatro. I love it.
Where? Where? Just the carburetor?
I love all of it.
So, how was the breakdown? I think you worked all right. I filmed all the way down till you turned. So, what'd you get lost down there? Where'd you go?
No. I was just, trying to get the feel of it. Just turning in circles, actually.
Well, you went down the side street, so I didn't know where you're at.
Well, I went all the way down and went down to the
second stop sign.
Second stop sign by the park entrance.
Yeah.
Turned around and just doing like figure eights.
You're doing figure eights?
Yeah.
Playing around with it?
Yeah, playing around with it.
You gonna get lights like that on your car?
Oh no.
That not you?
No, that's not me.
Well, I could tell you leaned it way over. See, you got to here.
Yeah. I want to know how far I can lean.
As far as you want. The front tire only got to here.
Huh?
The front tire only got to here.
How can you tell? Well, you're good.
You see that block's got some dirt on it, but it's only like halfway.
Oh, okay.
So you never turn the front end. The front end never leaned over.
Right.
The back end barely leaned over, so.
Really?
Yeah, you weren't getting too hard into it. Bikes lean a lot. And they can lean way over. You know, you don't notice. You don't realize how far you're leaning on these things.
I guess I'm just not used to looking at that down there.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna let it cool off here.
I don't know.
Let's go ahead and pull the plug out and look at it. There you go. See how see it's cleaning up the spark plug.
Oh, okay.
So it's definitely leaned out a bunch from when it came in. So Bill's barely got any heat in it. So did you feel the rear end bouncing around a little bit?
A little bit. I felt myself feeling like scooting up.
You keep sliding forward?
I was sliding back, yeah.
So you need to put something behind the seat to move forward now.
Yeah.
Which is going to
Other than that, it felt great.
It's going to make you sit higher though when you do that, so that's a disadvantage.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I'll see what I can.
And they're not quite so black. They're cleaned up a little bit.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Definitely means we're not rich. Because they were definitely all black when we started.
Rich is too much gas?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the fuel metrics are just about perfect. It's, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised this thing got 40 miles per gallon.
That would be wonderful. That's awesome.
They're super clean. It runs real nice and crisp.
I'm very happy.
$500 well spent.
Very well spent, yes.
Yeah, see, that one's darker. That one's not cleaning up too much yet.
They would have done it that quickly, huh? Cleaned it up that quick?
Well, it's got to get heat into it. But yeah.
Oh.
So, yeah, it doesn't take long to clean it up once you get in a spot where it's clean. They just have to be up to operating temperature to clean. The biggest thing you can't have them being rich. It will never get clean if it's rich.
Right. Nice.
So let's see what we got for oil. That's a clutch fuel.
Clutch was easy.
Feels like it's got less free play than it had. That's good, it pulls out. Oh, we got a lot more oil in there now.
Yep. A lot more.
You're about an inch below the filler tube there.
Wow.
Which I don't have a problem with.
That's good, right?
You're halfway at the dipstick.
Okay.
Yeah. You're about half a quart down at most. At most.
Nice. Good job.
I personally went screw with it right now. I'd run the motor and, see how the oil looks in that 500-600 miles, and if it gets dirty, change it, and it should be good to go after that.
Okay.
Because I don't know what you had for oil in this thing to begin with. So.
I'm probably just going to take it down to Arizona to register it and then ride it around here.
Yeah, just register it out of state though.
Yeah.
First.
And then take
so
that
you
nice.
need to have this move forward a little bit.
Yeah. I think so.
I'd see if anybody in Arizona can maybe add something into this. Like if you get a sheepskin cover for it,
That's what I was thinking about doing.
they could put a bolster in the back of the sheepskin.
Yeah.
And then you can take that on off.
Yeah.
So when he's riding it, it's fine. When you ride
He's
it,
not riding it.
he's not riding it. He said he was going to ride your bike.
No, he's not riding my bike.
He's not riding your bike.
No. I want this recorded. He is not riding my bike. It's my bike.
It is your bike. You
My
can't
bike.
have it.
Nope, can't have it.